Good morning, everybody. My name is Chandrasekhar. I'm going to give you an introduction to Tableau and data analytics. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of extracting or discovering useful information which can help in business decision making. Suppose in one branch or city, sales is more. In another branch or city, sales is less. In which case we need action plan. In both of the above cases, we need action plan. Suppose if sales is more in a branch, we need to increase the stock. If sales is less in a branch, we will try to increase sales by giving offers and discounts. Even after offers, discounts, sales is not increasing, we may need to close the branch also. So whether the sales is more or sales is less, we need some action plan. Okay. Why should you learn data analytics? Nowadays, there are so many job opportunities for data analytics, Tableau and SQL with 3+ years of experience. You can get roles like a data analyst, Tableau developer, reports developer, etc. Tableau is one of the most popular data visualization and data analysis tool. Tableau takes input data from different data sources and produce beautiful reports. It can take data from different types of files and databases. Let us understand little more about Tableau and data analytics. So everyday class, we don't go through any slides like this. Only in the first introduction, I am showing some slides. Everyday class, we will open Tableau and work on practical examples. Okay. Even in today's introduction class also, after showing some slides, I will show you practical example. Tableau desktop is the tool used to create visualizations. In this slide, I am showing the sequence of activities we will follow for creating visualizations using Tableau desktop. Left side, you can see different types of files and databases. First step, even before going to Tableau, you have to verify the data at the source level using SQL. Second step, we need to edit the data as per our project requirement. Third step, we need to create relationships between the database tables. Fourth step, we need to implement any kind of calculations we need in our project. For example, if we are working in banking project, interest calculations, EMI calculation, closing balance, outstanding balance, all those things will be there. So depending on the project, there will be different types of calculations. Okay. So actually creating visualization or creating a bar chart or pie chart is the last and easiest step. So these 4 steps are more important than actually creating a bar chart or pie chart. Okay. Tableau desktop is not a free tool. You can download free trial version using work email ID or any official student email ID. Okay. So as I already told, you can extract data from different types of sources like Excel files, text files, SQL Server, etc. So you can browse and select an Excel file and click open. It will load the data and display all the columns on the left side. And similarly, we can load data from SQL Server also. SQL Server will have so many tables, right? So you can select whatever the tables you want and you can load the data. Once if data is loaded into Tableau and data is available, we can create different types of visualizations using Tableau. Let us go to the tool. This is the Tableau homepage. Left side, you can see different types of data source options available like Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file, and MySQL server, Amazon Redshift, Oracle, SQL Server, etc. I am clicking on a Microsoft Excel option. I am selecting an Excel file and loading it. So this is the data just now I loaded from Excel file. So these are the columns, list of columns from my Excel file. So if you want to create a bar chart, you can create a bar chart. This is vertical bar chart. If you want to create a horizontal bar chart, you can create a horizontal bar chart. You can create a pie chart. You can create a tree map. This is a tree map. So like this, you can create different types of visualizations using Tableau. So if you don't want to analyze data separately by each item, you can analyze by groups also. Let us see an example. This is a product-wise sales bar chart. Suppose if there are so many products and if your management don't want to analyze by each and every product separately, you can form groups of products and you can analyze by groups. Suppose if you want to form groups of products, right click on the product name, create group, select create group. So all gloves related, you can push into one group. Okay. Road frames related, all road frames related products you can put into one group. All long sleeves related, you can put into one group. All helmet related products, you can put into one group. Logo cap related products, put into one group. Like this, I have divided all the products into 4 or 5 groups. Okay. Click OK. Now, instead of analyzing by each product separately, you can analyze by product groups. Like this, you can form groups of products and analyze the data by product groups. This is indicating each product group wise sales. This is one product group. This is one product group, like that. Okay. How do we identify relations between the tables? Relationship means dependency. Wherever there is compulsory dependency, we will create a relation. For example, can we have sales without customers? No. So there is a compulsory dependency between sales and customers. So we must create a relation between sales and customers. Can we have sales without products? No. So there is a compulsory dependency between sales and products also. So we must create a relation between sales and products also. Like this, we will identify and create the relations between the tables. Next, there are different categories of Tableau functions. I have given some examples also, like logical functions, number functions, aggregation functions, string functions, etc. You can make use of all these functions for implementing any calculations you need in your project. So in this slide, I'm giving an example of calculated field. In my data, I have 2 columns, current salary and previous salary. And I am calculating a new column, salary hike. Let us see in the tool also. Let me create a table report. If you want to create a new column in Tableau, click on a create calculated field. You can give some name, whatever you want. I am giving salary hike. And I am writing the formula, current salary minus previous salary. After writing the formula, click OK. See, the salary hike is also added in the columns list. So you can add this column, calculated column also. You can add in table, you can add in bar chart, you can add in pie chart, anywhere. I am adding this to the table. See, most of the people got 10,000 increment. Few people got 5,000, like Adit got 5,000 and Devam got 5,000. Okay. Like this you can create any number of calculated fields, whatever you need as per your project requirement. In this slide, I am showing a sample sales dashboard, which is showing sales of different TV brands. From this dashboard, if you see Samsung, Sony, and LG are top 3 brands by sales. So we can increase the stock of these brands so that we can get more business. And if you see Realme, VU, Infinix, Mark, these are the least 4 brands by sales. Right? Samsung, Sony, and LG are the top 3 brands by sales. And Realme, VU, Infinix, and Mark are the least 4 brands by sales. So we can decrease the stock of these brands or we can discontinue selling these brands.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Tech Learniversity and make your IT and stock market dreams come true. Download the app now.